Encountered a MUPG file in a software update process? These are uncommon update packages used by specific applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand and apply these Mupgrade update package files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading MUPG file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. MUPG files are update package files used by specific applications for delivering software updates, patches, or upgrades. They contain compressed binaries, configuration changes, and installation scripts for automated software updating within the originating application's ecosystem. MUPG files use a proprietary package format, storing update, payload, data, integrity checks, version, metadata, installation scripts, and rollback information, following the originating software's update specification for secure automated patching workflows. Your first application to test with MUPG should be 7-zip from Igor Pavlov. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot interpret the historical format, so external tools provide the only access. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the MUPG file and click Open With. Try launching with 7-zip first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. If the MUPG file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, letting application apply. MUPG files are typically processed automatically by their associated application's update mechanism. Launch the parent software and trigger update checks to apply pending MUPG packages. Avoid manual file manipulation, which may corrupt the update process or application installation. Next, examining as archive. Try opening the MUPG file with 7-zip or pzip in case it uses a standard archive format internally. The contents may reveal update components like binaries, configuration files, and install scripts useful for understanding the package structure, though direct extraction is not recommended. Finally, contacting software vendor. If the MUPG update fails or the originating application is unknown, contact the software vendor for support. Provide the file name source and any error messages encountered. The vendor can identify the correct application and resolve update installation issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.